Shruti Chaugule, Srushti Chaugule.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you prepare the notes
No, sir. Today I'll prepare.
today. Okay. And what about review?
Yes, sir. Reading is going on of research paper.
Okay. So only 10 students are here. Okay, what about other? So,
सर समरवेळ पाटील आजारी आहेत.
okay.
त्याने सांगितलं होतं.
Mm-hmm.
बाकीची नाही काही आयडिया.
So total 19 students or 17?
17, sir.
सर 17.
How much? 17. Okay.
17.
17.
So 7 students are absent. So one more join. Who join? Who join now? Afsana, Anand Sutar, Anupama Nair, Minal Patil, Neelam Jagtap, Neelam Pawar, Pratiksha Shagavkar, Sagar Aldar, Sushti Chaugule. Okay, so uh, you disappointed me in this week because my expectation is that when our lecture is completed, after that immediately you have to say what we want to learn. If you not understand anything, then you ask the question. But what happened after 1 week, you not preparing that notes, then it is difficult to understand you because last semester, the last lecture, I had given to you the PDF file. Okay, and this is the research papers. So as like that, you also see number of research paper. You have to write the structure of dyes and what's its application. We don't require any introduction, any synthesis part, conclusion part. Just we want what type of dye use the where in different industries. For example, textile industries, in polymer, in solar cell devices, photoelectronic devices. Then number of dyes used in biosensing materials or biomedical applications. So we seen that the cancer for cancer cell, some dye material are used. So that all information you have to choose, okay, and then make your own notes. Then it is very important for making the notes. See, whatever I am providing you material that today we'll discuss in short, and those are not yet did to write that notes, please try to write down today. Okay, so all of you seen the screen? Yes, no?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, sir.
Okay, so you see here, this is the paper of what micro review on what photo phthalocyanins. Okay, so phthalocyanin is the one dye pigment. All of you know that. Practical application of phthalocyanin from dyes and pigments to material for optical electronics and photoelectronic devices. So all of you know that the structure of phthalocyanin. Okay, and the that phthalocyanin is used in what? That optical electronics photoelectronics devices. Okay, so when you see the abstract or introduction, you just write down the structure of phthalocyanin. Okay, so this is the structure of phthalocyanin. No doubt benzimidazole ring is here. Okay, and M is the metal. So different metals are here. So you just write down the structure of phthalocyanin, and after that there is no need to see their activity or mechanism. Just we want that phthalocyanin structure used is where. Okay, so these are the different its derivatives. No need to write down it because this is the synthesis pattern for the preparation of phthalocyanin. Okay, so we don't require that. We just require one structure, and after that here is the different application. So phthalocyanin as a colorants, traditional applications. So in that, how the phthalocyanin is used as a colorants. So you have to write down this: the color fatness, color uniformity, color intensity, color stability, coupled with easy access, are the condition for the application of this large pi aromatic pi system as mentioned for colorant. Important as a colorant are copper second, then PC and its derivatives. Okay, so just you write down these things. We're not interested to write down all the paragraph, all the synthesis, all things. Okay, then you have to see in this metal, semiconductor, and insulator. Okay, this is the range and the where this material is applicable. So color of films of different modification of copper. Okay, hallucinated copper. So we don't require this one, these all things. We just know that when metal copper is there, then it gives a different color according to their composition. So alpha is there, beta is there, gamma is there, and halogenated is CuPC. Okay, so just write down that in short. Okay, so this is the, here you see, here is the palladium metal. So same structure, but you have to change the metal, its activity going to changes. Okay. So for your sake of understanding, when you did the research after MSc, then that type of phenomenon is important for understanding the concept. Okay. So further potential application is what? This is important. Okay. Phthalocyanine can find application in other areas for the catalytic mercaptans oxidation process of gasoline, fractions of petroleum with COPC, Marox process, FEPC derivatives as a deodorant for odor removal. Okay, so FEPC, it is used in deodorant. Okay, and it is the function of what? For odor removal. Then sensitizer in photodynamic tumor therapy. Okay, so phthalocyanine pigment having potential application in what? Cancer therapy, that is tumor therapy, photodynamic tumor therapy. For other application in different areas, phthalocyanins are employed, but the state is difficult to evaluate since applied work are often carried out in companies. For example, non-linear optical devices such as optical limiting, organic light emitting diodes, it is called as a optoelectronic devices, organic field effect transistors, that is electronic components, dye-sensitized solar cell, potential application for of phthalocyanine as materials on the nanometer scale and in combination with the nanostructure systems are investigated. Very interesting for application in NIR as azulocyanine, which are absorbing from visible region till near 1200 nanometer. So whatever, just we want the structure and its application. So this is the important paragraph regarding phthalocyanine, where you have to see all the applications of what? Phthalocyanine. All of you understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next,
Yes, sir.
that part last time we see that is polymer and dye developments and applications. So here, just we want what type of dye. So indigo is there, perlin is there, as alizarin is there, methyl orange is there, Hussein is there. Okay, so these are what? All are the dyes. Okay, and that dye is used where? So that part is given. So we don't require the preparation technique. Okay, so there is no need. What we want just the application. Okay, and after that you have to see that here is the all mechanism preparation are there, but we don't require. We just take the structure of indigo and where it is applicable. So its application part is here. So you have to say electrochemical and optoelectronic applications. Then in photochemistry. So when you read that is azo dye are one of the most important dye class in the world since many of them exhibit non-linear optical characteristic, liquid crystallinity, light induced dichromism and birefringence. Okay, So this is the important for azodize. And you just write this one. These properties are complemented by their ability to switch from more stable trans configuration into cis configuration upon exposure to UV radiation or visible light. Therefore, they find various applications in photochemistry such as optical storage devices. Okay, so this is the important para in case of azodine, how they can act as a photochemistry application. Okay, polymer for this application can neither be main chain or side chain azopolymer and have the ability to orient the modified azobenzene group perpendicular to the direction of the irradiated linearly polarized light. This so-called Worgate effect induces. So that not required. Okay. So only in case of azodides you require this paragraph. So by reading the different applications, okay. So medicinal application, dyes play an important role in medical application because both their physicochemical properties and color impression. Since this often involves application inside the human body, it is quite important to use non-toxic derivatives to screen that problem. Polymers are good alternative to low molecular dyes for in vivo application like polymer linked water soluble recycled dyes for cell staining. So cell staining is the important application. Then in this way, when you read that all PDF, then you have to prepare your micro notes. Okay. So is it possible? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Here you see 3.2 painting and textile. Okay. And 3.1 is wastewater treatment. So in this paper, you have to see wastewater treatment, that is industrial application. Okay. Where the dye or paint is used. So from this para, you have to just why the dye is used for wastewater treatment. Okay. And when you read that, from that you have to prepare your micro note, because in examination the long question is asked definitely on this: what is the industrial and research application of dyes? Explain in detail. So at that time you require the structure of dye, where it is used, the classification of dyes, because last lecture I think we see that azodize. Yes, classification properties, recent synthesis and application of azodize. Okay, so why azodize is important? If you see this paper, then you have to write down the structure of different azodize. Here, structure of chrysodine. Okay, so it requires the azo group. So 4 to 5, that is orange 5, structure of orange dye, then mordant black 17, then brown dye structure. Okay, so here you have to see that, the n double bond n, that is the azo group. Okay, and when you substitute, you change the substituents. Different examples are there here also. This is the n double bond n, phenyl ring, n double bond n. You have to change the substituent, then it gives the different dye. It is called as a yellow basic dye. Here it is called as structure of the orange dye, orange for you, modern blank 17. Okay, so you have to write down that structure when you want to write the applications. Why, what is meant by azodize, what's its example, and where it is used. Okay, so here they give the classification. We don't require the classification. You just change the substituent, then there is a change of what? Azodize. So likewise, you have to write more and more example in your notes. Okay. And after that, we don't require what's its synthesis, then its properties, just we want introduction. Okay. And after introduction, you have to write down the applications. I think here is the application. Okay. So you see, here is the summary. Okay, and here application of azodize. If you click on here, then all applications are here. Okay, so you see the application of azo dyes. Okay, everybody seen that? Yes, no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So these dyes are the most diverse group of synthetic dyes, that is N double bond N. They are widely used in the field of pharmacy, plastic, hypnotic medicine, living cell cancer, and pharmacological activities. Suppose you want to prepare the notes on azo dyes, application of azo dyes. Then first write down introduction. What is mean by azo dyes? Give the example, different examples of azo dyes, and after that, all the dyes having important properties in different areas of the chemistry. These azo dyes are widely used in the field of pharmacy, plastic, hypnotic, medicine, living cell cancer, and pharmacological activities. Along with that, biological in high-tech applications such as laser, nonlinear optical system, thermal transfer printers, fuel cell, also synthesized to solar cell, photodynamic therapy, metallochromic indicators, dyeing of textile, leather, paper, food, cosmetics, and medicine. Okay, so that much application of azo dyes. So every industry, because in analytical point of view, we require the industrial application, and in case of industrial application, you have to write down leather industry is there, paper industry is there, food industry is there. Okay, so different industries are, cosmetic also is there. Okay, the latter result from the combination of the properties of azo group and the types of substituted aromatic ligands. They are also known to be they are also known to be involved in the number of biological reactions such as DNA inhibition, RNA, protein synthesis, carcinogenesis, and nitrogen fixation. So number of applications of dyes, that is azo dyes. So according to the classification of dye, you have to prepare your notes. Yes, is there any difficulty? Yes.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
So, and I think all this PPT provided to you last time. Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you see that synthesis and application of benzothiazole containing cyanine dyes. So here is the cyanine dyes. Okay. Then next one, that is reactive dyes, practical application. So just what is meant by reactive dye? Give the structure of reactive dyes and its application. Wet dyes. Okay. So anthraquinone, indigo. We seen that last time. Yes or no?
Oh, sir.
Then high-tech application. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
functional dyes and some high-tech application. So you have to classify that all things, and you have to prepare your own notes. Okay, how the dyes combine with titanium dioxide, and when it is exposure to UV, then what happen? This film is formed along with what dye, and that film is important for what, absorbing the solar energy. So just write down this also, because if you write down these things, hmm, application, in case of application, then what happen? It will be effective for your examination. Okay, here is the structure. Here is the ruthenium metal, and different substituents are there. So according to that, you have to prepare your own notes. So all of you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So when your lecture is over, any lecture, it is not only for dyes and pigments, but all other lectures. Along with that, suppose all of you seen the screen? Yes, no?
No, sir.
Right now, you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So simple, you are the student of YSIS Satara. Okay. So this is our window. Sagar Aldar is there. Aldar?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is our website. All of you very familiar with this website. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just wait. One call. Who is that? Hello? कशाचं आहे? कुठे आहे तुम्ही? हे आहे ना टोको डॉक्टर्स दवाखाना माहिती आहे? अन्नपूर्णा नर्सिंग होम. टोक्कर. एनसीसी भवन माहित आहे? हा, एनसीसी भवन रेडियस टेकडीला रोड जातो. त्या एनसीसी सम्राटनगर मध्ये आलात ना, तिथून एक अन्नपूर्णा नर्सिंग होम आहे, त्याच्या समोरच आहे. हा. Hello, sorry. So, all of you see the chemistry. So, MSc second chemistry. Okay? You seen that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, here is the analytical chemistry syllabus. Okay, and I think all of you download it. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is your semester's third, and here is the your 5 paper. Okay, so in this for third semester, if you see, applied industrial analysis, and okay. हाँ सर, गुड मॉर्निंग. बरं बरं, चालेल, मी फोन करतो तुम्हाला. हा, झालं. चालेल चालेल, ठीक आहे. हो हो, चालेल. ओके ओके, चालतं, ठीक आहे. हो हो, येस. चालते चालते, ठीक आहे. ओके. हां हां. सो this topic is the third semester, no? Modern separation. So this is your paper number 303, organoanalytical techniques. Okay, so here is the topic, analysis of dyes and paint. Okay, you know all these things? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Okay, so for this
Yes.
paper, here is the reference book. So how many reference book are here for this paper?
40.
40. Okay, for dyes and paint, which reference book is there? Which one? Yes, anyone? कोणतं बुक आहे? आहे का नाही? हॅलो, अनुपमा?
Yes, sir.
Which reference book for dyes and paints? All of you seen the syllabus?
Yes, sir.
Then so which reference book for dyes and paints? So these are the 14 reference book for your paper, and here is your topic, analysis of dyes and paints. And I think we see this practical application and examples in analytical chemistry and research. Okay, so just I want to say you have to prepare along with different papers. Whatever I am providing you, it's okay, but you see other research papers, and on that basis you have to prepare the notes. तर कोणतं बुक आहे यातलं? डांगे?
Sir, no idea.
Why no idea? Yes. So suppose your topic is what? Analysis of dyes and paints. Okay. So you see that natural dyes and pigment extraction and application. Okay. So author is Mansoor. Then Yusuf. Next, analysis of dyes and ink. Okay. So here analysis of paint and varnish products. So related books. So see how many books of there. Analysis of paint, California dye, Dyer Hall. Okay, is the author. Okay. So if you not go through the Google or you cannot find anything, then how you can know that about the review books? Hmm? And for each and every topic, you should know that which reference book, that is important reference book of related to your uh, papers. So you say that. So this is what Clifford Dyer Hall. So Dyer is the important book writer on these dyes or paints, and that book is in your list of the reference book. I got Dyer's book. Yes, it is included in your book, reference book.
No, sir.
No. Then you say us, sir, this is the important book for dyes and paints, and that not included in your syllabus. So next time, please add this book. So this is the role of student. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And here are some common books like Treatise on Analytical Chemistry, Volume First and Second by I. M. Kolthoff. This include that all analysis related to dyes and paints, as well as the Welcher Standard Method of Chemical Analysis, Volume First and Second, Sixth edition, F. J. Welcher. That also includes some parts of dyes and paints. Okay. Okay. So along with that, you have to see the. It is related to all kinds of topic. It is not related to analytical chemistry only, but it is related to what? All kinds of topics in your syllabus. And you remember that your batch is the first batch of autonomous our institute. So we want to expect give the maximum opportunity after MSc. But for that purpose, you have to prepare your strong base. And how you have to prepare strong base? By day-to-day study. Okay. So 1 week you're not doing anything about dyes and paints. Okay. So this is not good thing. I know that you're preparing for review. I know that you're doing study, but along with that, each and every point of our syllabus is important. And you are the student of analytical chemistry, and if you see, you want to make the career in dye industry. So dye industry is everywhere. So it is related to paper industry, leather industry, but then medicinal applications, material applications. So all kinds of application involves that point. And if you take the good knowledge of this topic, then you're having various opportunities. And for that purpose, you have to prepare your own notes, concentrate on each and every syllabus of your syllabus, and then you try to attempt to qualify the national level examination, as well as you see the opportunity at abroad by qualifying GRE TOEFL. So with this, today we stop here, but next week I would like to show your performance, and that performance is not mm, so. We want that performance is excellent. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
if you have any question, please ask me. If you have any question, please ask me. Yes or no?
No, sir, no question.
Okay. So today we stop here, and I will provide you email ID on your WhatsApp group. Then you today, all of you, 17 students, send your own notes. If you not send today, then I will report. Hmm? Because day-to-day attendance is important. All of you know that, and we after completion of this lecture, we take the Excel sheet, and from that who is attended, that we know that, so it affects your marks. Okay, and today only we accept that notes. From tomorrow I will not accept it. Okay. So
Hello, sir.
hello.
Uh, sir, whole topic notes, yeah, only that
No,
applications
no,
note.
just I want
Okay, sir.
application of dice in research as well as in industry, and say to you those are absent, and if you not providing you today, then definitely it affects on your marks. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So thank you. Stay at home, keep in touch with your study. Have a nice day.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Sir.